There's a recipe to make a DIY leave-in hair conditioner, and I think it's a really nice recipe. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here are the ingredients. I will put them in according to the recipe. So I will make the bottle according to a 100 milliliter bottle, and I will try to fill it, you know. Okay, I will start with wheat. Okay. I wanted to make 20 drops of the protein, but I guess it was a little bit too much, so maybe I will. This is an approximation basically. So now I have Vithaar. I will also go for 20 drops of this. Okay, so this is 20 drops of Vithaar. So I kind of assume that the wheat was way more than 20 drops. So the next thing is Lavender Hydrolate, and when I open the bottle here, it has a very nice smell. So this is now 30 milliliter. In this syringe I only have 5 milliliters, so I need to just repeat this. Okay. Five. 10. 15, so that's half of it. 15. So 20. 25, and the last one to make it 30. Okay. So maybe I pulled it too far. I pulled it further than the 5 milliliters. So I will assume that this is gonna be 30 now. No? The last one. And now the rest can be filled up with water. And this is, I have my distilled water here. And from my previous mixture, I know that it's just 55 milliliters of water, so let's see. 5. If you wanna save time, you can just pour it in, but I'm interested how many milliliters are left. Okay, 10. 15. 20. 25. 30. 30. Let me check. 35, and it's almost filled. 50. Sorry, 40, I mean. 45. And I will make it completely full now. 50. So I get, yeah. I wonder what the 100 milliliters are, if it's like filled up to here or if this is already 100. But I'm gonna go. So this is the 55, just like my last recipe. Yeah. So now I mixed it. I finished it, and I will use it on one side of my hair. Okay. Let me take this away. Oh, I think I was using quite a lot already. But yeah, let's see. I will start here. Okay, some nuts, yeah. So. Okay. Let's see. I think it's very tangled on this side. So, but if I pull it now, like this experience, it feels very smooth. That's all that's all, like, you kind of have to trust me here, but yeah, it feels more smooth, but so, yeah, I can't really prove it. Because there were quite a lot of knots actually. Yeah, now I think it's good. I mean, yeah. Okay, now I didn't use it here. Okay. Yeah, I was hoping that there's a bigger difference in the sprayed hair in the non-sprayed hair, because I made a previous mixture and I used it up 2 months ago, and now so this was without the leave-in conditioner for a long time, and yeah, I don't know if I can say something about the shine or the way how it feels, because I think you don't really see a difference, but for the leave-in conditioner it was a really nice experience how it feels, and also the smell. Like I really like the flowery smell, especially this lavender hydrolate. It has a really nice smell. Yeah, in this moment, I will say thank you very much to Haaren, a fellow long hair YouTuber. She posted a recipe. She posted a recipe like for this DIY protein leave-in conditioner. She got the idea from a member in a long hair forum. It's called Langhaarnetzwerk, and the user is Alanna. So she kind of put her original recipe on the forum. I think she was using rose hydrolate instead of lavender hydrolate, so I made a little difference. And instead of wheat protein, some people also use silk protein. Maybe I can use it on the other side. No. I'm not sure how much is the right amount, but I think on a daily basis I will use less of, but because I haven't used it in a long time, so I'm gonna use a bit more. It also makes sense to distribute it afterwards with the brush. Yeah. Because on the hair that I have here is very thin, so I think it makes, if the protein leave-in conditioner makes the hair more smooth, it's better for combing it. It's more protected from damage. Another thing I would like to say is how long does the bottle last? So I'm gonna put it into the fridge, and I'm also going to put the ingredients in the fridge. So I had them in the fridge just so they will last for a longer time. Yeah. And this I heard from other people that after 4 weeks maybe it can get bad, and you will notice that it smells really bad when it gets bad. So, but if I keep it in the fridge for a long time, I think I was fine. Yeah, and also I boiled out the bottle in the beginning. Yeah, and yeah, that's basically how I can do it. I also bought aloe vera gel, and it's like a liquid similar to this bottle, and I'm not sure what I can use it for. Yeah, in one recipe I added a little bit of aloe vera gel in my first mixture, but the aloe vera gel, I think it made the hair more like this, more like kind of sticky when you go through it. And for me, I decided I didn't like it. It's also worth noting the people on the forum, they had different hair types and different mixtures, and they said this works for me and this works not for me, something like that. So I think yeah, I was reading about it, and it's worth it was nice to read about it. Okay, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Yeah. Thank you very much. I will leave some links in the description to the other, like to the forum and to Haartraum, and maybe to the shop. But I checked on the shop; they don't sell outside of Europe. They don't have the lavender hydrolate at the moment, so yeah, I think it's a smaller business. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it for me from this video. Thank you very much. I made the setup so that it's all about me, basically.